Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week Kitchen. I've been poorly last week, so that's why I've not uploaded a video. I had a bit of flu, which was not good, but I'm getting over it now. One of my subscribers did ask me for a dessert, so today I'm making a frozen yoghurt dessert, which is quick and easy, healthy and low fat, but absolutely delicious. Right, frozen yoghurt dessert. I've got 500 grams fruits of the forest frozen, half a cup of icing sugar, or I believe in America they call it powdered sugar. I've got half a cup of natural yoghurt and a tablespoonful of lemon juice. Now my food processor, which you should make it in, it's quite small, it's just a mini processor, so what I'm going to try and do is do it with the stick blender. If that doesn't work, I shall split it into two portions and do it in the food processor. So in order to not cover the kitchen in icing sugar and fruits of the forest, I'm going to pop this in here. I'm going to chop away at the fruit, but I'm going to put a tea towel around just to stop everything flying all over the place. So we'll see how this works. Well, that didn't work, so we'll try plan B. That's the sugar and fruit processed. That took 3 times in the machine, and I popped the bowl in the freezer in between attempts, so it's taken about 10 minutes all in all. So I'm popping in the yoghurt and the lemon juice. So we're going to mix this all together. Then we can either serve it up straight away or pop it in the freezer and chill it down a bit. But this is still actually very, very cold. Very healthy dessert, very, very low in fat. I'm going to portion this up now. I think this should serve about 4 people actually. You could prepare it in advance if you were having a dinner party, say, and then you could pop it in the freezer and then just take it out when it's time to eat. So there you go, frozen yoghurt dessert, low fat and one of your 5 a day. Just garnish it with a little sprig of mint. Oh, there you are, quick and easy, frozen yoghurt dessert. I'm going to enjoy this right away. So I hope you try it, I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you later. Bye.